What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another POV drive. I haven't done one of these POV drives, especially a rainy one, in a while. Oh, what happened? What happened here? Ambulance going crazy. But like I was saying, I haven't done a little rain POV drive in a little while. It started to rain and I was like, oh, you know what? I got a couple things I gotta do, and so I figured I'd do a little drive for you guys. I don't have that much battery, but I try to, you know, record as much as I can for you guys. We're about to get on the highway right now, and then just go from there. So hope you guys enjoy it. Subscribe if you guys are new. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers, so thank you guys so much for 900 subs, and we're just gonna keep on working, keep on grinding, and keep going. Yeah, I did a couple different mods to the car. I'll show a little clip right here so you guys can see what I've done so far. I didn't really want to do like a full DIY on it, because, or DIY, how does it say, DIY on it, because honestly guys, I didn't really know how to do it. So I was like low-key watching a YouTube video as I was doing it, and I was trying to do it quick. So yeah, I figured I'll just show you guys what I've done. But if you guys, now that I did it, if you guys do want to see how to do it, I will literally take it all off and do a whole video for you guys so you guys can see how it's done. So if you guys are, want to get one of them, or want to get something for one of the things for your car, and you want to know how to do it, that way you have that video to watch. So, but let me know though. It's not too crazy, but I did do that. And yeah, so we're on the highway right now. I think we got like 15% battery. Hopefully that's enough to get a video done, but I cannot even see that much, guys. It's that dark out, and the rain makes it even harder to see. So, but yeah, your boy does need some gas. I was supposed to get it earlier, but I just been busy doing stuff, man. I haven't had time. Oh man, crazy. This car is pretty good in the wet, so I don't really have any issues with that. And yo, I saw you guys, a couple of you guys hit me up on Instagram that you guys got the 440, man. Welcome to the 440 gang. You know what I'm saying? There's not a lot of us out here, so the fact that you guys got one, that's what's up, bro. Welcome, bro. You're gonna love it. It's an amazing car. You won't regret it. So much you can do to it, man, and it looks nice. So if you got the coupe, it looks really like, very sporty. I mean, the 4-door also looks pretty sporty, but the coupe looks a lot more sporty than, the 4-door. But either way, man, welcome to the 440 gang. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, at least the weather today, guys, it was like 70, I don't even know, like 71 degrees outside. I couldn't record during the day because, like I told you guys, I was putting on a couple little simple mods to the car, so I didn't really do any drives today. And I just been kind of rushing and all that stuff, and yeah, so just out here, man, in the rain, doing a little drive for y'all. Oh man, I gotta get out this lane though, because I know this lane gets pretty bad. Let me get in the middle lane here. Don't fall asleep now watching the video, because I know the rain, man. I know the rain sounds amazing. I love going to sleep to the rain, bro. I don't know if I'm the only one, but let me know if you guys do this too. Like when you can't sleep, you put like rain and thunder, because that's what I do. When I cannot sleep, bro, I put rain and thunder, and that puts me right to sleep, bro. That's like my go-to at night if I can't sleep. A lot of people don't, like peace and quiet. I don't. I need to hear something. Like if I don't have a fan, I don't have rain and thunder, it's over, bro. I'm not sleeping. It's clipped. I need all of that. If not, I can't sleep. I'm sure I'm not the only one though. I'm sure somebody else out there in the world can relate. Probably won't be doing too much cutting up in this video. More so just a little, drive. Oh, what is this guy doing? Because it is raining a lot, and I can't really even see the street that much, you know what I'm saying? So I want to do it safely, and just, don't want anything bad to happen or anything like that. Good thing about this rain is that I did need it a wash. I didn't get it because honestly I didn't even know it was gonna rain, but I'm kind of glad it is raining, because my car did need some water. Where I parked it last night, a lot of stuff fell on it, and the rain is gonna help a lot with that. So it's okay. I'm okay with the rain right now. Oh, another thing that I see a lot of you guys commenting is that I need the the steering wheel that has the lights and stuff like that. I want to get it, guys, but you know, you gotta give me some time, man, because it is not cheap. You know, it is a lot of money. They're not that cheap to get, so I need to save up a little bit, man. I'm not rich. Your boy doesn't work a lot, and I got a lot of bills and things like that. You know what I'm saying? I know you guys don't really care, you know what I'm saying? But that's why I don't get as much, you know, as many things as I would like, because your boy is like in the moving process right now. So, you know, I can't be spending all the money on the car. But I do try to get, oh my goodness, I do try to get as many little things as I can when I can. So, but stay tuned though, guys. Don't worry, I'm gonna get everything that you guys want, man, that is gonna make the videos a lot better and the car look amazing. It's coming, don't worry about that. It's coming, you know what I'm saying? You just gotta be patient with me. Everything is coming when it's, you know, just give me some time, bro. Everything's gonna be fine. I got so many plans, you guys don't even know, man. There's so much I still gotta do to this car, so just bear with me. Everything is gonna come. It's gonna look great. Just stay watching the video, subscribe, you know what I'm saying, and all that. I do notice that a lot of people be driving scared, bro. When it's raining, people be so scared. I mean, I be a little scared too, but I don't go like 30 miles under the speed limit. I be seeing people on the highway, bro, going like 30 and on like a 55. Like, whoa, that's very slow. You know, I get that you're trying to be safe, but damn, bro, that's very slow. That's like if you were driving through town, bro, on the highway. Not everybody's gonna drive that slow, you feel me? But we out here, man. I don't really like this road over here, bro. This road be a little walky sometimes, but it's got a lot of holes, and with the rain and the light, you can't really tell where the holes are. So I'm gonna try to avoid as many as I can, but I should be okay. I think I passed through this tree so much that like I pretty much memorized, bro, where they're at for the most part, you know what I mean? Oh, I couldn't avoid that. Yep, that's it. Let me put my windows back up. I do need some gas though. I'll probably stop by some point. You guys are right though about that though. Like, because my boy, he got the lights too on the steering wheel, and I think that's just gonna look so fire for the POV drives, bro. It's gonna look so nice when the POV drives, but I can't get it right now, unfortunately. But once I do get it, bro, these POVs are gonna be at a new level, bro. Like, just seeing a whole bunch of lights in here, it's just gonna look really nice in the video. So, but slowly though, I got other smaller things I want to do before that, and I gotta get some rims at some point, bro. Like, dang, bro, it's just, you know, I'm gonna have to pick up like a second job or some things, bro, so that way I can, you know, get everything for my car, something, bro, to make it happen. We're pretty much at our destination, guys. You know what I mean? It wasn't nothing crazy like that, but I just wanted to take you guys on a little rainy POV drive. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you guys are new. On the road to 1K. We are like, I don't even know, we are like 70 subs away from, oh my god, I need gas. We are like 70 subscribers away from 1,000. Wow, that's crazy that, you know, we almost have 1,000 people. That's insane. But I just want to thank you guys so much who are, you know, watching the video, supporting the kid and all that. So I appreciate you guys. And with that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.